Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a morning walk conversation given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 17th of November, 1975, in Bombay, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tvam Sadivam.
Extreme poverty as compared to other countries. They have nothing to eat, all the 90% of the peasantry absolutely, completely wiped out during the Britishers' time. They never looked after them.
Poverty is the cause of non-retirement.
They have nothing to eat. They hardly get, 2 meals, not square, but even triangle. I can say. they don't get any food in the offices.
What is the cost of offices?
India is made up of all village and offices. Cities are few.
So that is the cause of non-retirement.
To my mind, it may be another cause also, according to you. I don't know. What do you think? Lack of proper education?
Yes. Big men like Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi, they never retired.
Gandhi, as a matter of fact, retired long back. You may not be a member, but you are everything, say, like that. If I am not wrong.
What do you mean by retire? Retire means?
Retire from the worldly affairs.
From the worldly affairs, that is retire. We are not Sunnavadi. The retirement...
Our religions are dharma, earth, kama and moksha is in a continuity, is a sort of a string to which these things are passed. First you have...
The real thing is they do not retire on account of their strong sense of gratification. That is it. Not that poverty is taken. Even though poverty is taken, still they want to enjoy. This is the basic thing. There is nothing to be enjoyed, still he wants to enjoy. That mentality.
Why, with all that glorious past and glorious culture,
Varnashram dharma. Varnashramacharo tha purushena parapraman Vishnu aradhate pungsang nannas tattosakara. Hare Krishna. Jai. Tattosakaranam. Tattosa means to satisfy Vishnu, Krishna. They don't want to do that. But they want to satisfy their senses.
Our culture was so built as to do work for Krishna throughout the life. From brahmacharya, grihasthashram, vanaprastha, right?
Where is the question? Unless...
But how they have forgotten this is the greatest, mystery to me. Because the sadhus voluntarily, embrace poverty.
No. This service to Krishna has disappeared on account of this Mayavad philosophy.
You think so?
Yes.
And Mayavad philosophy was necessary to dislodge the Buddhist, degenerated Buddhism.
Yes. Sunnavadi. Nirvishesha Sunnavadi. They are practically the same. Buddhists say that everything is zero, ultimately. And the Mayavadis say...
The Mayavadis have improved that if everything is zero, who sees the zero? Who sees the zero?
No. Mayavadi says zero, just like the sky. The sky is there, but it is zero. They
But
cannot
who-
see the planet.
But who sees all these things? That is
And
what-
he cannot see, that's what he says, it is zero. Just like now we do not see the stars, but it is on account of my deficient vision, I do not see, and I say it is zero. Less intelligent.
Apahata jnana, you say.
Huh?
Apahata jnana.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Jai. The opposite of jnana, Mayavadi, that has spoiled the whole.
Do you think, in your opinion, Mayavad was a necessity to undo all the bad effect of the degenerated Buddhism, which followed some 300-400 years
Yeah,
after, or 700 years after Gautam Buddha?
It might be necessity for the time being. Buddhism also was a necessity for the time being. They are not for all. Emergency. Just like it is going on, emergency. It is not necessity, but sometimes you have to take it. Emergency. Otherwise, how Vaishnavas are worshipping Lord Buddha? Nindasi jagga vidhe raha sutijat. You are always deriding the Vedic principles, sutijatam. Sadaya hridaya darshita pasudhat. This is emergency. That we have become so much compassionate upon the poor animals because they are unnecessarily being killed. Kesavadhita buddha sharira jaya jagadi. He is glorifying Kesavadhita buddha sharira, but showing that you are deriding Vedic principles. So how is that? If one derides Vedic principle at the same time, Jaya Jagadisha.
Because the Vedic principles are not properly understood by those people. at
No.
that time.
He directly said, I don't care for the Vedas, Lord Buddha says. So, who will worship a person who directly says, I don't care for your Vedas? Shall we go to worship a Buddhist or Mohammedan? No. This is emergency. Sadaya hridaya darshita pasudhat. He cannot deride the Vedic principle, but it was necessary at the time. Otherwise these rascals will not stop.
Today, sir, the more animals are being killed than what they were killed in those days in the name of religion. Today it is in the name of the civilization and culture.
Now there is no religion.
You see that?
Secular. There is no religion.
Don't say no religious. Secularism
Secular
means
means no
irreligious,
religion.
Irreligious rather than no religion is also something good, but something other than religion.
You may call anything, but there is no religion. Dharme nahina pasubhi samana. They are animals, that's all. The modern civilized man is nothing but an animal. Dressed animal, two-legged animal. The animals are four-legged and these animals are two-legged. That's all. Or big animal. Praha ustakharai samstuta purusha pasu. The leaders of the modern civilization, they are being praised by other animals. Sabir Varaha Ustakharai. Sa means dog and Sabir Virvaraha means ox and Usta means camel and Khara means ass. So these leaders are being praised by these animals. Dogs, hogs, camel and asses. And they are thinking they are very big men. What is the value of prayers offered by dogs, hogs, asses and camels? The general people are dogs, hogs, camels. I think you have read, I have explained how they are camel, how they are dog, how they are hog, and how they are ass. I have explained this.
Yes, sir. Second canto.
Yeah. The modern education means to create dogs. The dog goes door to door and moves the tail. Please give me here anything. So this educated person with application goes and they say, no vacancy, get out. No, therefore they are dogs. Educated means dogs. They're creating dogs. In a Vedic culture, no Brahman will accept any job, no Kshatriya will accept any job, no Vaishya will accept. Only Shudras. Only Shudras.
Now they are keeping dogs in their kitchens.
Huh? Yeah. Doggish mentality is there.
You see, the people are spending more than 30-40 rupees on a dog every day, while they won't pay 2 rupees to a servant, domestic servant in their own home.
They are keeping servants also. But educated dogs, after passing so many examinations, they are seeking after master, and without master they will starve. A big technologist, unless he gets a good job, he is nothing but dog.
He has got no means to further his technology.
Huh?
He must have some means to further his own technology in modern times stuff. It is very difficult to further your technology without proper means, instruments.
And on the principle, it is dog's business. Unless you get a master, you are useless. That is dog's business. Just like these dogs here on the beach, because they have no master. They are forlorn, only barking and going the other. Sanatha Jivita. So we are, every one of us, we are now dogs of the material nature, or just like street dogs. So therefore, Hare Krishna. Therefore, we should take shelter of the big master, Krishna. Then it will always. Jaya. Yeah. Yeah.
Look.
Hare Krishna. Tameva charan nirantaram. This is Jamunacharya's prayer. Bhavantameva charan nirantaram. Hare Krishna. Jaya. Bhavantameva charan nirantaram. Prashanta nishesha gato manantam. Hare Krishna. Jai. You are feeling all right now?
Yes, feeling all right. Warm weather.
In Honolulu.
Florida.
Tropical weather.
That means it depends on weather also. Not only seaside.
We chant Bol Nityananda, Bol Hari, Bol Hari, Bol.
That is all right.
Sri Advaita. Is it recommended by you? That is in our parampara. That is in our parampara. What about chant? Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath.
Yes, that's right. Anukirtana. To chant always the Lord's name. These are Lord's name. Jagannath is also Lord's name. Nityananda is also Lord's name. Hare Nama ego kevala. Hare Nama. can be chanted.
But chanting in that particular fashion, saying Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath.
Yes. Chanting means glorifying. Jai Jagannath. Please engage me. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. He thought the people are coming, and then he was climbing on the top of the roof and saying, then shouting, "Why boys are not coming? They will come, don't worry."
Don't bring Ramakrishna as authority.
No, but that same thing here. I mean, the people will come, but we should not
They are
worry
coming.
about
They are coming.
That is
That is
all.
another.
Ah.
But people will come, therefore I shall have to sleep.
Hmm.
It is not.
At least I am coming.
So, at night there was what?
Yes.
Hare Krishna. Secular. That means they think that there is no need of this spiritual education.
Sir, the secular means, I mean respect for all the methods of worship. That is
There is no
all
method.
religions. But they mean secular means no dharma. That is their definition.
No, no.
It is the wrong definition.
That is the defect of the government. That they do not know what is spiritual life. They have no knowledge. Mudhas. Nati vidu sartha gatim Vishnu. They do not know this. They cannot also explain what is the aim of life. That Professor Kotovsky, such a big man, he after death everything is similar.
Bhasmibhuta se sarirasya purnavruta.
Yeah, this philosophy. This philosophy is prominent all over there. So long this body is there, enjoy it to the utmost. And after death everything is
Vrinam tutva gutam pide. Yavad jivam sukham
Sukham jiva.
jiva. Vrinam tutva gutam pide.
Ta punaragamano bhavet.
Harikesh, he's feeling sick. He has a bad headache.
To have come.
Huh?
Yes. As soon as he has come, he is feeling headache. And pain in the stomach is very good disease. Nobody can see. If I say I am feeling headache, you cannot see. I can sleep very nice. And pain in the stomach, you cannot see. These two diseases are beyond the physician's limit.
And these are common diseases.
No, as a matter of fact, if there is a continuous headache, we can do him a lumbar puncture, then his head will be cured. He will say, I am all right, sir, now don't do it. This much of needle inside.
First cultural education is how to teach the small children to become purified, brahmachari.
In ancient times, they did by association in gurukuls.
Yeah,
This,
that is it, Gurukul. We are starting that for Gurukul.
Kul of guru.
Yeah, brahmachari Gurukul. Vasandanta Gurur Hitam. This is the beginning. A brahmachari should live in the ashram of Guru, Danta, self-control, and only for the benefit of Guru, not for anyone's benefit.
Yeah, that is.
Brahmachari Guru. They
Krishna
would go, collect alms, and everything should be delivered to
When
Guru.
Krishna was sent to collect the wood.
Yes. Guru Hitam. The brahmachari life means only for the benefit of Guru. Everything is there in the Bhagavad.
That mode of teaching,
That can be introduced.
in a different way is there in America, sir. The American professors keep boys with them. They imbibe with them the complete spirit of their education. Their mode of...
I don't think so.
No, not this. The material, but that is the way they do it. That is why their method of education is better than the others.
They drink.
Drinking is different. Sorry, I talk of the general mode of education. The way.
Huh?
If this...
They are Americans. Is that the education? I don't think.
No, postgraduate education is like that, not undergraduate. Postgraduate boys are living in close contact with the professors for the research.
Few schools.
But there are. See, research is always...
But professor is also drunkard.
Then he will be a drunkard.
They drink together.
That's right. That's right.
The professor goes to hell and the student also. That's all. So, you know the story? That one man was drinking, so his friend told him, you are drinking, you will go to hell. My mother drinks, she will also go. My father drinks, he will also go. My brother drinks, he will also go. Then where is hell? Father, mother, brother and myself, every we should live together, then where is hell? Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Whatever type of education may be, but that is the real education.
No, not whatever. This is the education that
અમે બહુ જલ્દી આવ્યા છો, 6:30 થયા છે.
Hare Krishna.
હું
Jai.
ટ્રેન આવું છું.
This is education. There is no question of ABCD. First of all, Brahmachari Gurukule Vasandanta. He is to be trained how to become sober and gentle.
Self-control.
That is required. That is education. This is not education. They're killing the teachers. Huh? They're killing teachers.
Yeah.
Oh, you do not know.
Yes.
In the examination hall, the police is there, and if the guard detects how you are taking notes from books, then he'll be killed. So many teachers have been killed.
इंडिया में भी चाकू लेके जाता है
Uh-huh.
जंग बटन में इंडिया में भी चाकू लेके जाता है हाँ?
Police, under police. I saw in Delhi one school I went, the police is there examination, all thieves, rascals. And they are sitting in examination for passing. All rascals.
The modern education has become a farce in that case.
Fast, yes. It's no education. Among the Marwaris, the respectable gentlemen, you don't say. They keep private teachers, pandits, for learning Sanskrit, English. But they know my boy hasn't got to earn money, why should he spoil? They know very well we can purchase these technologies. Everything fast. There is no education. Infection and disinfection also. But you don't take to disinfect. That is. There is disinfection. Krishna consciousness movement.
But
Yes, who is going to take it? They will prefer to be infected. The respectable person will send their children to Gurukul. They don't want. I tried in the beginning. It was a failure. They don't want. Just like Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu. What is the trouble? Prahlad was devotee and his father did not like him. That why you should be devotee? You become politician, diplomat. That is the deal. Nowadays everyone is Hiranyakashipu. And he wants that his son should be diplomat, politician, black market. What is the use of this Prahlad? That is especially in India. No, Goshibu, he never liked to see his son Prahlad. And our system is to make Prahlad. So nobody liked.
They had a Gurukul here at Hare Krishna land, and they were wearing tilak, and then they would go home and tell their parents not to eat meat, and so on, and the parents became very angry, took their children back.
Hiranyakashipu education, then it will filled up immediately. And if you introduce Prahlad education, that the earth comes in front of the moon or the sun, and then there is eclipse.
I think old scientists also said the same thing, sir. When it comes in the straight line, the
I am
eclipse
saying, repeating their word. But why then eclipse takes place irregularly?
Because this is a question of simple harmonic motions. If the scientist here will explain it. The simple harmonic motional principle is that several motions are, going together at a time. When all of them come together, you see, that then you see that thing occurs. So as motions are different, the different timings come.
That means they do not know actually the motions.
All the astrologers and scientists of India, they have planned it perfectly
Our
well in terms
Shastra
of...
says that it is Rahu's attack. The attack does not come regularly.
That you may continue allegorically.
Suppose you have got an enemy, you are not going to attack regularly. But when there is some opportunity, you go to attack. Hare Rama.
Are we not observing these eclipse rituals that during the eclipse we stop aartis and all of these rituals?
Why?
And after the eclipse we go and take bath and then do the aartis.
Yes, they take bath.
Even the other Vaishnava Mandis don't do aarti during that period, if it comes within that.
Hare Krishna.
Some sort of cosmetic disturbances must be occurring in the cosmos during this period of Grahan or eclipse. We do not know the modern science. It must be happening.
Yes, our Shastra says it is attacked by Rahu.
Rahu means the other side of the earth's shadow is Rahu, as we say. The modern scientists, Rahu means the other side of the shadow. When the sun shines on the earth, the other side of the earth is, the night, and the shadow of the earth is long drawn up in the cosmos. And in the preview of that shadow, if moon comes, then it is caught by the shadow.
Rahu comes in
That
front.
is the shadow, is the Rahu. What else could be?
Huh?
That shadow of earth in the cosmos is the Rahu, most probably to me. Because when the moon, generally moon does not come so very often therein, in the purview of that shadow. When it comes, it gets eclipsed.
They give, earth comes in front of the sun or the moon, therefore the shadow.
Earth comes in front of the sun, then it becomes sun eclipse.
Yes, but why? If the movement is regular, then the earth comes regularly.
But sir, there are several movements, sir. The movement of the
That means
earth, sun and
again
moon.
escaping.
All moons, all harmonic motions
Shooting
must,
stars or all that.
they should be thought scientifically.
What is it scientifically? If you
This is
cannot say
exactly
how many movements are there.
All the movements that the heavenly stars and other things are going on in a particular
you
way.
do not know what are the movements. You therefore say there are several movements, but you do not know what are these movements. That is not scientific. avoid the explanation. If the scientist says that there are several movements, and we explain what is that movement. According to our Shastra, there is no individual movement. The whole system making center, the pole star, that we can see at night. Star and planet, they have no separate movements. They are fixed up. Just like this tree, there are so many trees. The tree is moving. So the leaves and twigs, they are moving. Not that, the leaf is moving.
There is a question of relativity, sir. Now the earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth. And the rate of movement is different on either side. And the axis on round which it moves also differs. So when all of them collide, or sort of a thing, then eclipse comes. That is the modern understanding.
Brahmananda is speaking that yesterday I refuted your argument.
You were asking why is it Sunday, Monday,
Listen,
like that?
that is...
So I explained that the sun is the center of the universe, therefore the sun comes first.
Yeah, various suns are there, and all the stars are the sons of various suns.
No, we don't accept it. Sun is one.
There is a fundamental difference of opinion that we don't go ahead of it, sir.
Now, why shall I go? According to the dictation of the rascals. We are not so rascals.
Yeah, now we have defined who is a rascal.
Rascal is one who has no authority. They are changing every day. They are changing and we don't change. These rascals are changing.
These fundamental sense are not...
In 19th century one theory and 20th century and another theory and then another theory, another theory. This is going on.
The truth is not changed, but...
Oh yes, they are changing. But you have not seen that our Sarupama's book? He has given simply changing. These rascals. Changing means rascal. He does not know. It is this. Another man, no, it is not this. It is this. Therefore, all of them rascals.
About this Khagol Shastra, our scientist Mihir Bha has planned it in according to the eclipse and sun and the moon eclipse come. That means his science was perfect. Otherwise it would not come at that particular date, time and exactly minute.
Or 5,000 years ago, Sukdev Goswami said that as I have heard it, I am explaining. That means prime memorial, the same thing is coming. There is no change. Not that after a few days, no, it was wrong. This is not right. Again somebody comes.
They are explaining the truth in their own way. That is the change of theory.
The
truth is the same.
That is the truth of rascal now. As soon as you change your
theory
position.
is of rascal, but the truth is never rascal.
No, the truth you do not know. Therefore rascal now.
They do not know how to explain. Truth is there, sir.
No. Anyway, he does not know. Therefore he is a rascal. Either you say this way or that way.
Truth is there. They may
truth is there, but they cannot present the truth rightly. That is rascal. Truth is there, that is certain. But they cannot present the truth in the right way.
You mean they are groping in the dark?
Yes, that is rascal. How things are happening. Every 10 years they change in the theory. And that has been explained by by a layman like me. Dr. Swarup Damodar. He has explained. He has concluded Darwin's theory completely wrong. You have read that small booklet.
Yes.
And he has given reason quotation. How simply he speculated.
As a matter of, sir, the whole cosmos is full of, intelligence. There is God. But then that intelligence is struck in different way to the, what we call the mind, which is embedded in the matter. So, each one explains him in his own way, as he understands.
No.
One
you cannot
small phase of
explain truth in your own
whole
way.
truth nobody knows and sees. Even our Shastra says.
Hare Krishna. Things which one does not know, he should not try to cheat others by placing some untruth.
It is like 5 blind men seeing an elephant.
Oh,
you know.
yes. So he should not give the conclusion
No,
that
but then
elephant
we
is
don't
like-
accept the conclusion. It's very difficult to know the whole truth by anyone else.
No. So, therefore, our process is Upadaksanti tad jnanam jnanino tatsadarshina. One has seen the truth. Not this rascal. Tatsadarshina. Darshina means while actually seeing. There is no change. The advice is tadvidhi panipatena paripastena sevaya. These are the paths. Upadaksanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshina. Not that theoretical. Tattadarshina. You have to go there. Then you will get knowledge. A blind man goes to another blind man. What is the problem? No problem. Andajatha andhairupaniya. A blind man must go to a man who has got eyes, who has seen. Then that is right knowledge. Now we are presenting this book, Scientific Basis of Krishna Consciousness. Let anyone come and challenge. Let anyone come. We have got many scientists, they will talk.